This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Denay Bartuseck. This stunning renovation features an open concept living, dining, and kitchen with a large island, new appliances, and a wine fridge. The dedicated office boasts a glass sliding door and feature wall, perfect for remote work. Enjoy new modern bathrooms, a brand new roof and air conditioner, and a flood zone X location. Outside new backyard patio, fresh landscaping, and fencing. Complete this move-in ready home. Untouched by recent hurricanes and minutes from beaches, dining, and shopping. For more information, review the details below.